Into AI. So today we are in the era of AI. So wherever you see it, all the companies adopting AI and they are reframing their company structure. So in 2026 we were scared about AI taking our jobs, but as HRs we are adopted to using AI. So what is your view on that?
So AI, I feel it's good. We can use it, but taking job can't be done with AI because AI can give you the outcome. It can't understand the emotional feeling and the stress and the things which other person is going through. As a human, you should only be the person who is taking over the things as into the empathetic way, into the sympathetic way, into the emotional intelligence. Everything can be done with the help of human only. AI can change the algorithm. It can give you the outcome, best outcome, that what answers and what best outcome it be. But emotional feeling is more important.
So it is AI and HR. It's not AI versus HR.